Okay, this is the setup. This is the joiner you can see here. I've got the tables pushed back so the spindle's free. This is what the motor looks like. It's a direct mount motor. You got it wired in right back there. You can hear my rotary phase converter turning in the background. I'm gonna spin this by hand just to show that the spindle moves freely. And then let me stop it. Okay, go ahead, start the power. Sounds normal. Click, breaker just popped. I'm gonna let this go for a minute just to show you how long this thing spins after a test, just to show that I don't think the spindle is picking up any mechanical friction from the machine. And it's no visible vibration or anything. Looks like it's running smooth and true. So, yeah.